Hey, morning, morning. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody had a great weekend. What is happening today? Well, we got a whole lot of data coming out this week, all right? So be aware of that. We got Powell talking on Wednesday. Got to make some decisions. Um, Looks like we got some more tariff stuff taken care of with the European Union. So a little bit of a kick this morning here, up about $1 and change here on the SPY. Looks like Qs are going to still be inside day. Is that right? What I'm looking at? No, that's taking day up, and then of course the diamonds continue to just disappoint. 449.44. We're actually getting close to taking a day up on your diamonds. All right, that's your futures. Okay, we got really no actionable signals here coming in night. The months just keep cruising. The week just keeps cruising, and markets are just moving wonderful. All right, but GDP comes out this week. Watch those numbers. Those are pretty close. Those are what numbers you want to watch. You want to see what the GDP is doing month by month. You got to watch out for that. We got the S&P gained about 1.5% last week. With the Nasdaq, it's just a little over 1% for the last week. What else here? We got PCE inflation, and then on Thursday, and then on Friday we're going to get unemployment, and more importantly, we're going to get the new month. All right, so we're going to see the new month, see how the month wants to come in. All right, things that earnings this week, we got a whole host of them coming here. We got a Super Tuesday as well. So Meta's going to report this week with finish with a 2 day down with the inside week. All right, so looking for that 212 possibly if Meta wants to get its act back together here. Closed at 712.68, trading at 716 right now. All right, so you're going to be inside that week right off the bat with your Meta. Microsoft, everything's up near the highs, guys. The highs, guys. All right, 518.29 was the high on the week here on Microsoft. And where we at this morning, we're actually a little slightly higher, 515 and change. We're going to be inside day on Microsoft. No hurry there. Okay, no hurry there. Amazon, going through kind of the bigger names here. Amazon's trying to keep it together here. All right, had this stall out here, the 2-1, and then the 1 brought you back up. Let's see if the 1 can do it again today. 233, so we're up higher here, and we're going to be looking to take that 212 back up on the Amazon. All right. Amazon, they're going to be reporting. United Healthcare is going to be reporting. UNH. UNH goes outside on the month now. All right, so see, that's going to be a 3-1 coming in on Friday. We'll see what happens. Finish the day. This thing just cannot get going. All right, so I wouldn't trust any of these insurers right now. And healthcare is just kind of a wild card as well. 2-2 down on the week. So United Healthcare, I don't know when she's going to turn around. All right, but she's going to report. MasterCard's going to report this week. All right, 3-1 inside on the month. We're looking for that 3-1-2 month on MasterCard. You already got the 3-1-2 on the week. And had a decent day Friday. Kind of brought it in a little bit at the end of the day, but pretty strong overall on MasterCard. Financials are doing great. Stocks are a lot of these financial stocks are doing good. Who's lagging? We know who's lagging. We know that the industrials are lagging a little bit. All right, and we got a couple sectors in there. Retail is kind of stalled out a little bit on us, and discretionary is kind of stalled out. But if the diamonds can get their act together, we get the whole song, we get the whole band playing, and then it should be sounding pretty good. We'll see. All right. I mean, like I said, we're already just cruising speed, and that's just the way it goes. Visa is going to report. That's another one with the 3-1. It's set up exactly like MasterCard with the 3-1. 3-1-2 week. Boy, almost are very identical, right? So outside day on Friday, and where are we at here right now? 357. Looks like we're close to being unchanged from where we were when we left off on Friday on Visa. Coinbase, man, this Bitcoin getting back up there, back up to 119 and change now. All right, so Coinbase kind of stalled out here on the days right here, and we are 396.20. All right, so we're going to be inside day there on Coinbase. Okay, quick look at the Bitcoin. Where you at? Where you at? BTC Bitcoin. Just got up to 123,000. We're back up to 119. All right. So just trying to get back up to the highs. Kind of stalled out here again on Friday at the end of the day. See what the Bitcoin wants to do from here, all right? 119 and change. It's definitely storming back. It got down to 117 and change. It turned around and it just ran right back up. All right, so we know Fed's going to talk Wednesday. What else we got here? Got a couple stocks that are moving around this morning. Tesla is a little better this morning. TSLA, get with Tesla with your outside red week. All right, hanging man week. All right, we're gonna get once we get the new month, we'll get this thing tuned back up. All right, so still stuck inside there with the 1-1. So it's going to be hard for it to get out, but it's slightly higher here this morning. Closed at 316. It's trading at 320 right now. That's going to be inside day. See if it can get start taking another day up. All right, so there's a lot of those 1-1 months. And those guys, anybody who's been consolidating for 2 whole months, you're either going to come out flat or you're going to come out ripping. All right, and so we'll see, and we'll be watching. Apple finally busted out, right? Got that month up now, so she should get continuation to the upside. 213, 214.29 right now. All right, so with that, it's going to be inside day. I just don't know about Apple, man. It should go. It should be going. It's not. So, and now she's going to have earnings. All right, so just be wary of that one. All right, Tesla's here better. What else we got? We got more earnings coming up this week. We got Boeing coming out this week. All right, Boeing, I'm in Boeing. I'm long from like 179. I've been waiting for an opportunity to try to buy some more. I got into this mess here, and I was talking about this daily pattern that couldn't get going. I thought it would triangle out. It didn't. And then it goes right back into the same mess. What we do have today, though, is we have a nice Momo hammer on the daily. So we'll see if that can go into force. And it did finish with an outside week. All right. I just wish it would come back to 220 for me, but it doesn't seem like that's going to happen. But she's going to report earnings there on Boeing, so Boeing's going to be in there as well. Spotify is going to report on Tuesday. These are all on Tuesday. All right, Spotify. Don't track this stock that much. Just because I don't trade it, but 2-2 up on the day from Friday, and it's coming down lower here this morning now, and you get that inside month, another one, so don't want to touch it while it's inside month. We like stocks that are 2-2 up on the month. UPS, that's going to report as well on Tuesday. UPS is going to report. It's already 2-2 up on the month, but stalling out. All right, so a lot of stalling out there with UPS. 103.70 now, and we're going to be handily inside day on UPS to start today's day. All right, Sophie Bank is going to report. Just been a real beast. Oh, just a real beast. And another one kind of stalled out on the week with the 2-2 day down. Stalled out here, triangled out, got back up, looking for that triangle back down. 21.30 this morning, slightly higher. We'll see if Sophie can get that continuation. That thing should be getting back up to like 24 bucks and change on Sophie to get back up. I think the all-time high is around 28 bucks. All right, so Sophie's a little bit better there. What else we got? PayPal is going to report on Tuesday. These are all just coming on Tuesday here. All right, PayPal's looking gotten it together here with the monthlies. All right, 222 up now. Finished with a nice 212 on the week. 78.33 this morning, which means we are just going to be inside day. See if PayPal can get it going here. It's got more room to go for sure. But the problem might be is that your nearest magnitude right now is going to have to be 67. No, that's not that. It's 80.63, $80.63. All right, so see if PayPal can get going there. Merck, MRK, your healthcare, some good, some bad. So that's the mix there. 2-2 back up on the monthly on Merck. So Merck is actually fairly decent here. Now coming back down here a little bit this morning, and then that Medtronic on Friday was a nice one. We got that 212 that set up nice. Okay, and it was the 3-2. It was the 3-1, 3-2 up on Medtronic. All right, so I'm not going to talk too much about healthcare. Really needs to pick up. It's the industrials and healthcare that are holding back on our diamonds, and that's kind of where we're at. I got a gapper list out there that you guys could see on Twitter or X or whatever the hell it is, and then I got some upgrades and some downgrades this morning. So keep an eye on that. Got Nike's a little stronger this morning too. Nike. We've been talking about Nike, right? Trying to get back up. So stalled out with the day here, puked it all out. Now you got the 3-1, and you're taking a 3-1-2 upper here, 79.70, up another $3 here. All right, so I was talking about this before. Pivot machine gun on the monthly, guys. All right, watch for the month to expand, and then you're going to get the new month. You start taking these guys out. Okay, see if we can get Nike back to 90 bucks at some. It's going to probably be a choppy road, but what road isn't? All right, Salesforce, it's a little bit higher this morning. This one kind of stalled out at the end of the day, finishes with a 2-1. She's trading up to 269.90 in that area. I think she's got good support down at 267 and change. See if anything holds there. All right, Google went flat, and Google's not doing anything. It's just slightly higher this morning. I like that Chipotle Mexican Grill. I think that will get back up after the earnings hit that took. All right, and Nvidia, I don't know. It got the doors open. Go get what you want to get in NVIDIA. So I don't know what's holding its back, but we'll see what we'll see. All right, so she's already really moved. We're at all-time highs. Now it's time to start doing what the SPY's doing, right? Keep pushing on. 638.50 here this morning. 568.66 on the Qs, and diamonds are actually taking a day up before even the market started. That hasn't happened in a while. Watch those GDP numbers on the monthlies, all right? And then you got Powell on Wednesday. A lot of stuff out this week. A lot of earnings, a lot of data, all right? Unemployment on Friday. So I'll keep you up as the week goes, all right? So I'll see you at lunchtime, and be good.